Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 26 June 2018, 18 of hour, 07 of minute and 32 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how many amps is a cordless drill? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how many amps is a cordless drill. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about how many amps is a cordless drill. In some cases like circular and table saws, amperage draw can approach 15, which may make a standard 15 amp circuit marginal. In addition, you can use the power draw to roughly compare how powerful two competing corded tools are. A corded drill that draws 8 amps will be much more powerful than one that draws only 4. Last update October 13, 2015. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.